Hey tech fans! Cell phone fire, meet the Samsung Galaxy A57 Pro 5G, a smartphone that combines style, speed, and power perfectly. Featuring a stunning AMOLED display, every video, photo, and game looks vibrant and crystal clear. Under the hood, its high-performance processor ensures smooth multitasking, fast app launches, and lag-free gaming video game. The camera setup is impressive, capturing sharp, detailed photos even in low-light camera with flash. With 5G connectivity, browsing, streaming, and downloads are ultra-fast, making it perfect for anyone who wants top performance on a budget. The long-lasting battery and fast charging keep you powered all day. High voltage. From gaming and photography to everyday multitasking, the Galaxy A57 Pro 5G is one of the best mid-range 5G phones in 2025. Don't miss out. Experience speed, style, and innovation with Samsung's latest offering. Rocket.